Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Honda CRV Sport, stock reference number 4468. This shape runs from the 8th month 2004 through to the 3rd month 2007. It has a K24A1 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. K24A1 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left hand front. We have the right hand headlight. Left power door mirror does have some scratches on the outside edge. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left front door has a couple of small dents. Left rear door has light wobbles and one small dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Spare wheel cover has a few gouges and scuffs, and it is only the outside of it. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door 3 small dents. Right front door 2 small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with tan leather interior. It's got a center console in tan, heated controls, auto gear shifter, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.